Hello guys and welcome to my channel. So if you're new here, my name is Dekan, aka Edi Coco, aka Queen of DIYs. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell to make sure that you're notified every single time that I post a video. You'd be the first to know. And yeah, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning back in. This channel literally does not exist without you guys. Love you guys so much and I appreciate everything that you guys do on this channel. Comment, likes, everything. I do not take any of that for granted. Thank you. And yeah, so in today's video we are going to be making this carrot and aloe vera oil. This oil is like a versatile oil that can be used on the hair and skin. It's a very rich oil, and in this method I made it a lightweight oil to go on your skin, so it's ideal for even the summer months. And yeah, so without further ado, we are going to jump right into the tutorial on how to make this. But please make sure that you stop and like this video to let YouTube know that you like my content. So first, I'm going to show you how to get your ingredients to the state where you actually extract it. So here I'm just taking 2 large size carrots and I'm just washing that up thoroughly. I always speak of hygiene on this channel. It is definitely important that you maintain your hygiene even when you're making DIY products. It's important that you keep things clean. And yeah, I'm just washing that up thoroughly. I'm peeling it with a potato peeler. Next, I am going to be grating the carrot to smaller bits. So what I want now is like carrot shreds to make it easy for me to work with. So the other grater was giving me issues, so I had to change it to a more sturdy one. So here I'm just grating my carrot to tinier shreds. So I had also put aside some fresh carrot shreds. So now we're going to be going over to our next ingredient, which is our aloe vera. So here I have this large size aloe vera. It was ridiculously large. I didn't expect it when I had ordered it to be this big. So yeah, I had to cut some part out because I obviously couldn't use everything. And yeah, after washing the part that I'm gonna be using, I'm just gonna cut the edge off. That part is not useful, so I'm just gonna cut that off, and then I'm gonna be working with this part. And now it looks small, but it's not exactly small. It was a really huge aloe vera leaf. So now I'm just gonna be slicing that up gently. And whenever you're working with aloe vera fresh ones like this, cutting them up, you need to be careful because it's really slippery, and yeah, you don't want any awkward incidents with the knife, so you need to be careful. Just putting that out there. So I'm just cutting them into like flat slices. You can go flatter if you can. It's important that you keep the slices flat. I'm saying that for a reason, because I will explain as we get on. So I'm just cutting up the aloe vera and transferring it into another bowl to have more space. So now that I am done with the aloe vera and also our fresh carrot shreds, this is such rich ingredients to work with, and they look equally as beautiful and aesthetically pleasing, but there's more to this. So now I'm going to be transferring this fresh aloe vera and carrot into a pan. And you guys forgive my pan. This is the pan I use for my DIYs, so you guys need to be more forgiving. So now I put the aloe vera first because I need it to be at the bottom part of the pot, and now I'm just adding my carrot shreds to that as well, and I'm spreading that using my wooden spoon. And now I'm going in with my carrier oil of choice, and I decided to use sunflower oil for this because sunflower oil is a lightweight oil that glides easily into the skin, and personally I love lightweight oil, so that was my preference. You can use any other type of oil, almond oil, apricot seed oil, whichever one works for you, castor oil, yeah, just whichever works for you. So I'm just making sure that that is soaked properly in oil, and now on medium to low heat I'm just gonna be heating that up gently while playing with it with my spatula to just make sure that everything spreads evenly in the pan. So after a few minutes you're gonna notice that your ingredients are sort of cooking up. Don't be worried the nutrients won't go out. Some people worry that when you boil your stuff the nutrients will go out, but here this is the process of extracting the nutrients from these ingredients. And also I'm using my wooden spatula or spoon to like break things up a bit, so I'm just pressing the aloe vera more to make sure that it extracts into the oil. So now I am done heating up my oil. I'm just keeping that and using a spoon to stir it to cool, and now I'm going to be transferring it into a bowl because I want to set it aside for it to cool even a bit more. So this is what our carrot crumbs and aloe vera slices look like. They look quite should I say dehydrated. So this is our oil with the aloe vera and carrot crumbs in it. So now I'm going to be taking a cup and a sieve, and now I'll transfer that oil into the cup. This is to just sieve the aloe vera plant and carrot crumbs off. So now we have our oil. I'm going to be adding a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. I'm just stirring that up to make sure that everything mixes properly. And now this is optional. I'm adding carrot seed essential oil, and also I added rosemary essential oil. This is definitely optional. You can add any essential oil of choice that you like or you personally like. Yeah, so now the next step is to transfer our oil into a storage container. And I'll just cover that up gently. And here we have our oil, and because I have and work with a lot of oils at home, I have a couple, so I like to label my oil so I know which is which. So here I'm just putting a sticker label on my oil. And yeah, here we have our aloe vera and our carrot and aloe vera oil. This oil is rich in skin brightening properties as well as nutrients and vitamins for your hair as well. So it's such a rich versatile oil for both your hair, nails and skin. So yeah, it's definitely one that you want to have in your DIY stash collection, whatever you call it. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please check to make sure that you subscribe, thumbs up this video, drop a comment down below to let me know how you feel about this. Are you gonna try this? Just let me know. And yeah, please share this video with your friends, and as usual, I wish you a perfect skin, and I will see you guys in my next one. Love you. Mwah.